Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sayudha. Today I will present it about my project. My project is about the Dosen user management system. For the website, I use code Igniter. And then before I explain later, I sorry for if later I can do some features or upload something, because my recorder will only do this Windows only. And then let's get started. And then this is for the login page. For the login page, we can log in as a user or as a admin. And then we go to the admin first. This is the admin. Admin have users. After username is admin, and then the password is admin too. If we want to check the password, we can see this icon, and then we can see our password, and then we can close it again, and then we can do the login. Okay, this is the administrator homepage, and then this is the data Dosen. As you can see, there's a sidebar. We can hide it or show it. For the data Dosen, we can see that the data Dosen, lecturer, position, homeroom, teacher, position, home base, status, and teach type. As you can see here, all of this it's included in data Dosen. So first time is the data Dosen. Data Dosen is like the profile of the docent, like the NIP, NIDN, code, and nama. So we can edit, we can see that the code of the lecturer, and then we can see the home base of the lecturer, and then this is the home base. There's a tidak memiliki, D3 and D4, and then we can see the status. The status is like the PNS, kontra, MKU, and ATC. And then for the pengajar or field of teach, we can see the type of the teach, and then we can add the Dosen data in the add data Dosen. Because I don't have the NIP and RIDN, we can go to the code Dosen. We can add bra, and then we can add Sayudha, it's my name, day 4, and then this is day 4 too. Status is maybe luar biasa, and then the mengajar is TI. Can submit it. Okay, and then we can check. There's a bra and Sayudha in here. There's a home base. There's a Brian, and then in the status there's a Brian, and then is mengajar, there's a Brian, just like that. Then we can edit the Brian data. We can see this. We can edit whatever we want, and then if we don't want it, we can go back. Okay. For the add Dosen data, if the administrator don't want to upload it one by one, we can go to import. This import it's to our upload is to upload the CSV or Excel files. We can choose files, and then we can do the upload, and then the export data and the download template data Dosen. We can go to the because this CSV must have some requirements in it. We can download the template, so we can know what we must to fill in it. And then for the export data Dosen, we can download this data into the Excel files. So and then for examples is we can click it, and then we download the data Dosen, and then we download the data Dosen template. And then for the lecturer position, and then the lecturer position, this is the raw data. You can see this is only the ID jabatan, and then the code of the docent, what year they have the position, semester they have the position. We can show the detailed data, and then you can show this nama, and then jabatan is like this, and then we can see like this. Okay, and then we can show the position data. The position data is include this ID jabatan. So this is the position data in the Polynema itself. And then we can add the position data if you want. It's like this: ID jabatan, nama jabatan. We can like that, and then we can show the lecturer position data again. We can add the position data. Maybe we can add some like and then the jabatan, maybe double jar or 2020 or 8 even out. can submit it, and data successfully added. You can see there's bra in it. You can show the detailed data. We can see the bra in it. Okay, and then for the homeroom is DPA. So what which Dosen will be the homeroom of this class, of which class? So this is the class of the class that will be and then this is the homeroom year, and then this is the semester. Then we can show the detailed data. So we can see select the Pak Mr. Kade Suyarjoana Batu Bulan. It will be the homeroom of MI1A from in the 2018, and then the semester is out and even. So we can see like that. Can add a homeroom. Can maybe and then we can see the TI2G 2020 auto event is even, auto, and then we can submit it. Okay, there's a bra, and then we can see the detailed data. It's like this. And then after we get to homeroom, because the position is already been explained, we can do home base. This is the home base data in the polytechnic, or in the polytechnic or the JTI. And then we have only T3 and T4, and then we can edit by add home base and then home base name. And then after that we can go to the status. From the status we can add, this is the status of the lecturer. We can add it more in this add status data. We can ID status, status name, and the status code. In this we can know. And then for the teach type, a field of teach, this is in the JTI. There's MKO, MP, Ping, and TI. We can edit more too in here. Okay, that's for the data Dosen. For the data research group, before that we go to the research first, and then we can see this the research of the JTI. And then for the this we can add more research, and then we can, if you want it, you can go back and then go to the research group. In the research group there is a raw data. This is only the code, what research they will be attend, and then the year, and then the semester, and the priority. The priority is like the primary, secondary, tertiary, and then another else. And we can see the detailed data is like this. So we can see that the Misatika not in research in year 2018 and semester out, and then priority is primary. Last time let's like this. Miss Ika have the research mobile in 2018 and semester out and secondary. Actually Mrs. Ika until 2019, and then in even, and then still secondary. Okay, we can get to back to this is, we can add the research. Maybe we can add brag again, and then we can do the research. Maybe AI 2020 out or primary, and then we can submit it. Okay, there will be bra in here. You can see there is a bra. Okay, and then we can go to the schedule. What the schedule is contains schedule per class, courses, class distribution, courses, RPS, and SAP, and contract kuliah. First we go to the courses. Okay, and then for the courses, this is the courses that JTA have. This is for the code mata kuliah, is like the code of the course, and then the name of the course, SKS per course, hours per course, and then the type of course. And then the type is like P is practicum, and then T is for theory. You can see T is for theory. And then we can add the courses. This is the courses code. Actually REF is for ME, and RTI is for TI or T4. And then the courses name is like what is courses, maybe project or system information, SKS per course. Course time is like how much the course will be, and then the course type is practice or theory. You can go back again, and then we can go to the another is like class. For the class is the all of the class in the JTI. And then for the class, you can see it's like from the first semester until last semester. First semester until last semester, TI and ME, T4 and T3. As you can see like that, and then we can add some classes if JTE have more classes to add, because a newcomers or new semesters, and then can go back, and then we can see the schedule per class. For the schedule per class, we can see this is the code and then the ID class that they will be the teach by this lecturer, and then the matkul is like the courses ID. This is the schedule year and then the schedule semester. You can see this detailed data, and we can see this like the Mr. Ahmad Bahudin will be teach TI1C, and then the courses will be Agama. The year will be 2019. Semester will be even, SKS will be 2, course time will be 3, and then the type will be theory. And we can edit like this. We can add maybe bra, and then maybe TI2G, where's TI2G? TI2G, and then for the courses is like maybe project, and then we can see 2020, and then this is maybe the out. Can submit it. Okay, can see like the bra. We can see the detailed data like this. Okay, and then because the jadwal per class is done, it's this distribution course. This distribution course is like the total of course, total time of this teacher will be teach a lesson, teach this a lecturer. And then for Ahmad Bahudin will total will be 18 hours in 1 week. And then this is the schedule in 2019, and then the semester is even, so we can see all of this. Then for the Dosen it's 24 actually, and then this is a variative, there's a 24, 6, and then only 18, and then this will be different by the semester and then the year. Okay, that's for the distribution courses. And then you can see this the RPS and SAP. This is RPS and SAP for administrators. As you can see, this is the code of courses. And then what is RP, what is the SAP, this is the RPS, and then the SAP. You can see the detailed data. It will be like this courses aplikasi komputer perkantoran. The type is practicum, and then the RPS is this file, and then the SAP is this file. So you can see, because this we can download this file. Download this, then there will be alert. You can download this RPS. Okay, if you yes, this will be downloaded, and then we can add RPS and SAP. We can choose the kode mata kuliah or course code, and then we can choose the file in here. Whatever we choose the file, and then we can go back. Sorry, I can't upload the file because of my screen, or I will try it. Maybe project. I will add it that maybe some of data, maybe T4 like that, and the curriculum, and maybe like that, and then we can submit it. Okay, data is added, and then for the what's like T4. Okay, this is our last data added. On this we can download it. We can download the data. Okay, just like that, and then we can download the PDF like that. Okay, and then we can delete it. Okay, and then like that for the SAP and for the contract, its contract is same as the SAP and RPS. This is the code and then the contract of these courses, and the uploader is who upload this file. We can show the detailed data, so we can see the name of these courses and the type of the courses, and then this is the name. You can see the download and the uploader. You can edit more this contract. It's the same like the RPS and SAP. It's like that. Then we can download it too. We can try it. Okay, it's linear. We download it just like that. Oh yeah, and then for the RPS and SAP, it's we only export the data. but the exported data we must same like this. And then that's all for the administrator. I can go to logout, and then we can go to the user. For the user, I set the all of the Dosen using username is the code, and then the password is the code too. We can log in. Okay, this is the user homepage. So this is the EFR. This is Mr. Imam Fakhrul Razi. I use that code. So this is like the name, full name with the code in here. And then there's NIDN, NIP, field of study, status, home base accreditation, and then we can see this the position. This is the position, and then this is a research group of Mr. Imam have until 2019, and then that's all for the information. This is only the profile. Then we can see this is a sidebar. For the sidebar in here, we can see like this biodata. This is the biodata, the position, and the research group. And then for the RPS and SAP, we can see here for the RPS and SAP, we can see like this all of these courses that Mr. Imam teach. And then this SAP is too. And then for the RPS and SAP, we can for the user can upload it in a new file. So as you can see, we can see this is for the upload. We can update this RPS and SAP, and then if there is no, we can upload it to this SAP is the same like this. Maybe we can choose files, same like maybe PDF. I choose some files, and then it will pop up like this. We can download it, and then we can update it too. And then because this is the SAP, because the SAP we only add the RPS, so the SAP is blank. We can download it too. Download, and then just like that. Then for the contract, okay, for the kontrak kuliah, we can do this upload. We can it's same like the RPS and SAP, just like kontrak kuliah upload, and then we set. I choose this, and then we can submit it. Okay, this is a new of these Excel files, and then this upload by Miss EFR, Mr. Imam Fakhrul Razi. It's same like who uploaded the lessons who uploaded, just like that. So we can download it too, and then we can update it too. And then that is for the and then there's the features. We can change password here. If the user want to change the password, we can change the password in here. So that's all for this Dosen user management system. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you to understand my application too. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.